Hi, my name's Jeff Noyes from vendorlock.com, and I just wanted to show you guys today. I'm about to open my email and see how many opt-ins I got today from doing solo ad. Solo ads or blasters are a very valuable tool, and I just want to show you guys right now just what kind of results you can get. I have not opened my email yet today, but I'm expecting to see quite a few opt-ins from a solo ad that I've run that went out today, hopefully. And also, I should mention that solo ads are usually between shared lists, so often you don't see all the results from your solo ad right away. Sometimes it takes, 2, 3, 4, up to 10 days to see all the results come in. So my solo ad was launched today, April 9th. So I'm going to open my email now and see if I got any opt-ins from that just overnight here. So, holy crap. Okay, definitely got a whole whack of emails here. Let's see what we got here. Opt-in, 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 opt-in. Very good. Looking good so far. Opt-in, 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 opt-in. Very good. It's a good morning so far. Opt-in, 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 opt-in. Okay, so definitely got some opt-ins out of the deal here. Another opt-in, opt-in, opt, opt, opt. These people have all opted in the last couple hours to my list from my solo ad that I've run here. Another opt-in, some sales mixed in there. There's a sale, there's another sale. And this is all just in the last couple hours here. I just opened my email. The ad just went out just a few hours ago, so this is only after a few hours. As you can see, the dates here are all April 9th, okay, starting today. You can see all my emails here are from the 9th today. So any of the ones that say VendorLock Lightbox or VendorLock Inline are my two opt-in forms, okay? So these are my opt-in form notifications here. And I'm just going to count them out with you. These all came in the last couple hours here, okay? So you can take a look at the dates here, and you can see they're all from today, okay? And there's going to be a lot more, in the evening tonight. So just to count them up here, let's just go through them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I'll move the screen up a bit here. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. And there's actually about 4 more that I already opened down here somewhere. Down here somewhere, where are they? So anyway, I checked in my Aweber account. I got 33 in total this morning. Oh, there's another one there and another one there. Okay, so in total, I got 33 opt-ins in the last few hours from doing a solo ad. Okay, so solo ads are definitely worth it. Now, each one of these people may come back to be a customer. As you can see, there's already a couple of payment successful. This person's payment didn't go through. But anyway, it looks like I've made, a few sales mixed in there. Okay. And so as you can see, solo ads do pull their weight. Okay. It depends on who you buy solo ads from. But usually if you buy from a reputable company, solo ads are very valuable. They get you a lot of opt-ins, and they'll get you some sales too. But what you really want is the opt-ins. And as you can see, in the last couple hours, I've got 33 opt-ins. I would expect in the next 24 hours to see another 30 to 40. And I expect that to keep happening for the next 3-4 days. Okay? So if you want to know how to do that and how to get solo ads happening to expand your business, they do cost money, the good ones, okay? You don't want the crappy ones, trust me. They cost money. Just like any business, though, like I mentioned before, it costs money to make money, and if you advertise in a regular business, you spend hundreds a week. This costs less than that, okay? There are some that are pretty expensive, but they're worth it. They're worth it because you'll see the sales the next day, you'll see the opt-ins the next day, And even if you don't see a whole whack of sales the next day, all those people are on your list now, so you can keep selling them by sending them updates and emails, and eventually they're going to go, you know what, this is a really good product at a really good price, and this person's really good with their customer service. So I think I'm going to buy their product. And that's how you make the sale, okay? As you guys know, as my members, I give really top-notch customer service. And I do that to help myself make sales and build my reputation as somebody that's trustable, likable, and helpful on the internet. So you got to go out and do that too. And you're going to use advertising to bring in those leads. And then you're going to take those leads and convince them that you are the person that's going to help them with their problem. Okay, that's how you get it done. As you can see, I can get over 33 leads in a few hours. Okay, and I do this every day, all day. So I'm getting an average of 100 leads per day now. Okay, an average. That's not all from one place though. And I had to weed through a lot of things to find out what works and what doesn't. So there you go. As you can see, solo ads are definitely worth doing. They pay off, and they're worth doing. I get a lot of opt-ins from them. I'll see more over the next few days for sure, and I also see a lot of sales come from that right away. So it's definitely worth the money. Just wanted to show you guys that I do get those opt-ins every day from advertising like that. So advertising is very important. People forget that just because you're doing an online business doesn't mean you don't have to advertise. Let's just put it in perspective for a minute. If you owned a storefront business, you'd have rent, hydro, lease, employees to pay, stock to carry, deliveries, all that stuff. It all adds up to quite a bit, and then most of those type of business go ahead and advertise anyway to make any money. So just like any business, you have to advertise. Most businesses will spend, money on newspaper ads and whatnot. I know myself, I've done newspaper ads quite a bit. I used to work at a music store. I still help him out with teaching there. And I know that he spends at the music store there $150 just on the local newspaper per week to put his ad in. And then I believe he does some, more expensive advertising too. And that's just 1 week. That's 1 week run, $150 ad. So that's, 4 weeks. That's $600 a month that most people spend on advertising at least. That's minimal. So if you look at it that way, if you were to put $600 a month in advertising into your online business, you will succeed. Okay, this is where a lot of people fail, is they think they're going to press a button and the system's going to work and they're not going to have to advertise. That's not true. You have to advertise. You have to get out there and build a name for your product. So go ahead and do that, and make sure you advertise. If you want to email me and ask me where the best places to advertise are, I always share that information with my paid members. So please give me an email if you need that information. Okay? And I hope that you all see the value of advertising your business after watching this video, because advertising is key. If you do it well, you're going to succeed. It's almost guaranteed. If you don't do any advertising, if you just hope your one website or your one system's going to do it all for you with a couple of clicks, forget it. You need to advertise, okay? Now, you don't have to advertise right away. There's things you can do to step it up and start out for free and then work up to paying for this little bit of advertising, and then take the money from that and you pay for more expensive advertising. That's how I did it. I started with zero. I started buying small advertising that worked okay, and then I started buying more expensive stuff that really worked well, and it's worth it. Some of it is really worth it. Some of it's not, and some of it is more than worth it. Some of it's worth its weight in gold 10 times over. So if you want to know any more information about where I advertise, if you're a paid member, you can email me anytime and I share that information. I also share a lot of information in my regular newsletters, so if you're getting those, please keep reading and pay attention, because I give away a lot of free software and a lot of tips about where I go to get traffic and stuff like that. So please receive my newsletters and take a look through them and see if there's stuff in there that can help you. I'm sure there is. So again, all my paid members always get access to this stuff inside VendorLock, and you can get into VendorLock for $1 right now at vendorlock.com. Don't forget the little dash between vendor and lock, vendorlock.com. I can help you guys get leads like this and sales like this every single day. Just give me an email or stop by my site and join up my membership site, vendorlock.com, and get started right away for $1. Okay? My name's Jeff Noyes. I'm glad to help you guys make money. So if you want to do this too, please drop me a line, give me an email, or stop by my site and check me out. Okay? Vendorlock.com. Don't forget the little dash. And I'll see you guys on the rich side.